Taryn,
I could stay in here forever.
and that.
Quite literally, I really
I know. Isn't that sweet? If I could stay in this room forever, that's everything I need. They do love it, and they're just getting started. Most of them. Hi, I'm Brenda Rush. I'm the Gifted and Talented Coordinator for our school district, and welcome. I want to welcome the school board and administrators here today to Wilson to learn all about our Discovery Den. We got a lot. You know, this was from the STEM Coalition grant, and then with Title IV funds too. The STEM Coalition grant paid for a lot of the technology stuff that's on this back wall. We have these snap circuits that are great for teaching like basics of electricity. The biggest part of it was probably the strawbees. My students have started coming in here. Strawbees seem like they're just straws, but they're better than straws. They're building tools, and then they can be coded with the microbits to move. So like they can code this alligator to snap or wag his tail. My students are going to be coming in and this was their practice build. They built frogs, different things that were on the site. You can see that little frog. They built different scissors. This is what I built, these two scissors. Good about learning the basic machines. And then they will, they are planning a vacation, and they're going to have to make a movable attraction. So like the Leaning Tower at Pisa, and have it lean, or I don't know, Sadie.
And this is the book that we read for our January challenge.
Hi, my name is Emery, and with the book, there goes with a challenge. The challenge is to build Martin Luther King's podium like up there. The materials to use is index papers. You can have scissors with it, or straws and tape. And you can also use pipe cleaners and popsicle sticks with tape.
So you can get in groups, and then here's the materials buffet they were talking about. The challenge is on your tables. You can read through it and then decide as a team what you want to use, and then come up here and get the materials buffet, and we'll see who comes out better. Y'all want to come get your supplies that you've already decided?
Hold up.
Oh, sorry.
Hold your
You can't have them otherwise.
Pipe cleaners, popsicle sticks, both of these. What y'all decide to use?
I think we're kind of distracted.
No, I'm not.
We decided to use pipe cleaners, tape, and the popsicle sticks.
Gotcha. No, I'm not trying to distract y'all, really. I'm not. I'm not even going to work with my team because I want to get my kid fixed. I got to come over here and love on y'all right now. So they're going to be.
I'm not sure.
I'm up here trying to reason. I'm so glad Terry.
She's always so quiet. You talk all the time, Clay. You can talk.
This one's just going to have to stand. I'm trying to save it. Oh!
Everyone to see it. They have two.
Hold on.
What's the top gotta be slanted though?
Ooh.
Clearly says the weight of his speech.
But it's a challenge.
Say how much it had to be
I
split.
did not put angle in there. I knew they had a limited amount of time. But I agree with you, it's pretty dang flat. How much time do we have left? This one looks very confused.
I know, she's trying.
Did you get those? You have to get these two.
Oh.
Is that a 6x6?
Yes. Now, and we come to the tank and we count how many of whatever is in there. Like examples on the sheet, they're like steps. There's however many footsteps in there. If you write down, you count it. And yeah,
So right now we're really just trying to introduce the teachers and the students to the room by doing these monthly challenges. Like I said, the book that Gavin was telling you about was their silent reading book. And then that following day, they follow up and come in with their homeroom and do whatever challenge it is. And that's sort of our introducing it to everybody to get going. But They are loving it. We told the teachers also did a challenge. I spent part of the afternoon on the January when we came back. They all came down here like you all just did. I intentionally did not give them the podium challenge. Strawbees is real big on this fail forward. This is Strawbees' motto, that our kids are not going to learn to be problem solvers unless we give them problems to solve. And I was guilty as anybody of jumping in too early to answer their questions. So when they got their list of expectations and procedures for in here, when the teachers got those from me, it specifically said they are not to help. They are not to help them. So they had a challenge to build a bridge for like the Selma Bridge and learned about that when they came in. But I didn't give them this one because I didn't want them to go around and say, no, you should be trying this instead. No, no, no. They are to completely step back and let them do it. I told them if someone is not working, they're to break them out of that group because they need to be, everybody needs to be engaged. Put the things back. But Strawbees also intentionally, like they were making those from videos that I posted on my Google Classroom, and I told them ahead of time, because Strawbees told us this, they intentionally leave out steps in their instructional videos so that kids have to problem solve. And the kids were noticing it too. It's like, wait, it doesn't say like, how do I, I'm like, I told you, they are not gonna put every single step. They are gonna leave some out just for you to have to problem solve, even in an instructional video about how to make things. So they've been fabulous to work with, and we really kind of are trying to embrace their fail forward model and get our kids to be more independent, resilient, and better problem solvers. You'll notice too, part of that is why there's no teacher's desk in here, and really these chairs are gonna go away now that y'all are gone. There aren't chairs either. We want our teachers up. It's more about stepping back and letting the kids, because they feel so much more empowered when they're able to do this stuff themselves. Miss Sadie, did I leave something out?
No, but I wanted to throw this in. You see these chairs?
Yes.
They are amazing. I mean, when I first walked in, I thought these were going to be, like, not that good, flimsy. Until I sat on them, they were, like, so good. I mean, they're even holding, like, y'all.